Alright, so this is a video for the rough country upper control arms for the 2007 to 2013 Silverado. A lot of people have been having questions about the ball joints. They are push out ball joints and they are Moog Moog K6540. And this right here is how you'll get them out. This is the tools you need. You'll need your breaker bar and a ball joint press. And these press up and out instead of down and out. So with your ball joint press, you take the bigger one with the bigger hole, and it's gonna go to the bottom of the ball joint. And then you want to get one of your adapters that's wide enough to fit onto the control arm, and you'll take the smaller one and put it on the top. So this is how you want the press set up. So you have the bigger one, then you have your adapter right here, and then your small one, and you'd screw downward. I'll come back after I get it pushed out. I forgot to add, the top of this is a 22 millimeter. So after you press it as far as you can, it comes out with ease. So just for a heads up, take the boot off the bottom first, then it comes out nice and easy. And this is the one we'll be replacing it with. But first, want to make sure you clean this out. Now, after you clean it out, you're ready to put it back in. And this is the alignment hole, and you want to put it away from the rotors. So it'll go in just like so. And for this, putting it back in, you want to use your smallest adapter. Grab you a 32, and you'll need the big plate again and your press. Alright, and this is how you'd want it set up. You want the big plate, the smallest adapter, and your 32 up here, and they'll be pressing it back down in. Then your finished product there should be deep off in there like it first came out. And you want to grease up both sides, and you're done, mate.